rough around the edges.
Yeah, I knew those were like that. I had to blow the pictures up. I could see it. Couldn't tell really how bad they were though in the pictures.
Yeah, it looks like
This has gutters on it, huh?
yeah.
Didn't think anybody put gutters on houses in Maine.
I know. Nobody can afford them. See if this is locked. Not a lot cleared out here, but
Yeah, I could tell that in the pics too. It looks to me like maybe somebody, might be an older woman or something that might be
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
getting up there in age.
I mean, this could be cleared for sure.
Oh, absolutely.
Bigger backyard. Sheds look a little rough.
Wow, mine's in better shape than that. Mine
Yeah,
actually,
that's pretty rough.
Mine actually still has a roof on it. I'm building a new one. I can't take the stuff out of mine until I get the new one built.
Oh. Yeah. Definitely quiet though, isn't it?
It is quiet, real quiet.
Oh, there's a deer right there. Yeah, it was running right there.
I missed it.
Yeah, I can still see him. See it faintly moving through. Yep. Well, that's a good sign.
Yeah, I know.
What you want.
Tree stand right there in that tree.
Yeah, you don't even have to
No,
leave
wait a
the
minute.
backyard.
Clear that out. Tree stand over there, or just maybe sit on the back
Sit on
deck.
your porch. Shoot it. Yeah. I like how they have the guards there for the roof so that you
Yeah.
can sit right in front of the slider.
See, this one here, the garage is definitely close enough to attach.
Oh, for sure. Hopefully they'll have a thing inside to get in the garage. Maybe it's in the lockbox.
Yeah, this is definitely somebody who's older.
Yeah, just haven't been able to keep up on things.
Yeah.
Like that. See if I can get the garage key here.
Wow, I think this is the first deck in Maine I've been on that was in decent shape.
Oh, this is a new one I've never seen.
It's vinyl siding. All right. You got in.
Yeah, I don't see a car door opener. Let me see if this key works for the same. I doubt it. Love when that happens. It worked.
So weird. I've never seen a split entry this way before.
No?
Usually the kitchen's over here. And then the dining room's over there.
Decent size. Carpet looks like it's in good shape. Wood windows are. Nope. It's hard to go off. it's vinyl. They're just
Yep. Yeah, it's got vinyl siding on the outside too.
good. It looks like wood from back there. Wasn't sure.
This is a hall closet, okay.
Interesting.
I want to
Check
make
what's
sure.
down there, yeah.
I want to make sure I check the headroom down there too. Definitely an older person.
100%.
Even I'm out of wallpaper. I don't want
No.
wallpaper. Is
Wallpaper
gross.
is a thing of the past. Other than maybe one wall people do, you know? That's
Yeah, like an accent
an
wall.
accent, yeah. Okay, well, it's not very deep, but it's at least closet space.
About as big as the one we have at home. Damn, I'm good. I had this pegged as the room that had the
They have
bathroom.
the bathroom. Yeah. It's not a huge bedroom,
No,
but it is kind of nice to have this. This is a big bathroom.
it is.
Look at all the space.
This wall could probably get moved over.
Yeah, give you more
Give
bedroom space.
yeah, more bedroom space.
Just check out the shower. Oh, decent.
Unless you wanted a changing room or a closet, walk-in closet over here.
So I'm thinking laundry must be in the basement, huh?
It's over there.
Oh, it's in the back.
Yeah. But it's got the
Yeah, this is
closet
big.
there, so
True. You probably could borrow some of this wall, though.
yeah,
I don't know. You'd have to move the heat.
that's easy enough.
Interesting.
That's what I thought.
Wallpaper?
Yeah,
Yeah, same
I
here.
think it.
Yeah.
I think it's been painted over.
Yeah.
I've been known to do that.
Yeah, you know, it happens. I've done that before myself. Oh, okay. Oh, so this bedroom's a little bit bigger, for sure. Now, okay, but you got that bathroom there.
Yeah.
Closet here.
Good sized closet.
So yeah, more wallpaper in here. A lot of wallpaper to strip. Ooh, that's great. This is okay. Oh, that's kind of nice to have a separate laundry area.
It's on the main floor too.
Yeah, that's huge. I will never go to the basement to do my laundry again. Ever.
I'm pretty much done with building in basements. See how we.
Okay.
I do want to back out that way.
Okay.
I'll have to look at them later.
The orange one runs over here.
Yeah, that's where
So
the
must be-
generator
yeah,
hookup
must be.
is. I think it says 6. This is one of the things I like about the split entry. They rarely ever take water.
Yes.
Ooh, asteroid.
Oh my gosh.
Did you say something about a
Yeah,
wood?
wood boiler?
Oh, okay.
Wood furnace?
Yeah. This looks fairly
I
new.
say that does not look old.
No, it looks fairly new. I think I saw something about this one having a newer furnace.
So this is where that billboard door was.
That's a big wood stove.
It is. They definitely tried to insulate, you know, some will. Oh,
It's got a closet too, so it could serve as a third.
yeah, it's a good sized room.
I don't understand why that's over here.
They must finish this off after. You know?
I would think that they would have put. Geez, they filled up
Labeled
almost
well.
every one,
Yeah,
huh?
it's full. It's labeled well.
And it's got the generator interlock.
Oh, yeah, okay. Boiler.
Okay.
More wallpaper. Imagine that.
This is a good sized closet.
Yes, it is. It's a great size closet. I wonder what they used this for. If it was a bedroom at one time, or got heat and everything. Is it modular, or do you think this was stick built?
I don't know. Looks stick built.
Yeah, it probably would have been a metal beam across
Yeah.
instead of wood.
I don't know, go out this way. We can go back out and around instead of opening this.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
That way we don't forget to close up things for her.
This door doesn't look very old. Let's check the door.
Okay, that opens good.
Out there.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that in the pictures too.
But is that just trim?
Hard to say till you
Yeah,
start pulling it
because-
off. You know what I
Yeah.
think?
Yeah.
Gutter's gone. Snow.
Yep. Yep. Sat there and she probably didn't shovel off.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's bad. All right, let's see.
Yeah, that's
just
out of there.
all right.
How's the garage? The trim needs some attention. Is this maybe a dryer vent back along or something? It's that bedroom's right down there.
Wrap door.
They had that covered. Yeah, rat door.
Well, that's the thing about these. When
A lot of big bushes right here.
when you have everything this close to the house, it invites critters. Surprisingly, the wood over here is in excellent shape. A little bit of down here. There's your dryer vent. Line comes in that way. That's going to have to be cleared. All right. Ooh. Huh.
Front doors.
That's frost heave.
Is that?
Yeah. With it, but might be bargaining power.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. If she's moving into a elderly complex or something, then what's she need it for? But you never know with families.
Yeah.
Families can get kind of crazy.
Well, this guy needs work.
Looks like T111 there is separated too.
I wonder how far in here I can get. Nope, you're not getting in there. Nothing's leaning though.
I hate when owners are here.
I know, I do. I kind of like it myself as the buyer though, because they give out too much information.
Sometimes they do. Mm-hmm. Look at the insulation up there.
Oh, I'm gonna love this.
Oh, that's what it was.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm definitely gonna love this.
Yeah, this is cool.
This is my office.